So today I'm going to make spiced oatmeal cookies from the Joy of Cooking 1953. So I've got a cup of plain flour, a quarter teaspoon of, well, she calls it soda, so I've gone for bicarbonate of soda. I'm hoping that's the right thing. Half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, or she says you can use cloves instead, but I didn't have any of those. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of brown sugar, and then you need molasses or buttermilk, and I've got golden syrup, so I'm hoping that does the job. An egg, 3/4 cup of oats, 3/4 cup of dried fruit, and half a cup of butter. So she says to sift all the dry ingredients together. So let's sift in the flour first. Okay, so let's add in the sugar. Some lumps there. And everything else. Okay, and then before I add the butter, I'm just going to give it a quick stir, and then we need to work in the butter with our hands. So let's put that in. I have previously washed my hands before starting this. So now I need to beat the egg before adding it to the mixture. Let's hope that that's enough. Throw it in. And I think we are also adding the oats and the golden syrup. 2 tablespoons of this, and just hope it does the same job. Use a teaspoon to scrape out what is left there. Okay, so we stir those in. Okay. Now we add our currants, stir those in, and then we are going to put them on a baking tray to chill for half an hour. So let's get this mixed in. Okay. Just chilling in half an hour. So now we put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes.